So here we have a video product review with the Dixon number 2 yellow pencil, wood cased, black core, number 2 HB soft, 12 count. Why did I buy this thing? I bought it because I don't have any pencils. I threw out all my pencils. Who in the world uses a pencil these days? I haven't used a pencil in half my life. But I needed a pencil because I am doing some woodwork, and you can't really use a marker on wood because then it soaks in. So, are these a good deal? I wasn't expecting to go to the store. I went to the store, they were selling 10 pencils for 50 cents. Wow. I just bought 12 of these for $1.49. So it's $1 more than going down to the big tea store to buy them, but I needed them. I wasn't planning on going to tea. Now that I went to tea, I'm saying, okay, I spent a little bit more money than I needed to. And Dixon got a little richer, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, this reminds me when I was in school. Who in the world uses a pencil? Seriously, does anybody in this world use a pencil these days? Sorry, Dixon, I know this is how you make your living. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description if you want to buy these things. If you can't get to the store and you need them, go buy them. It's just $1 extra that you're spending. It's Lapises de Madera Authentica, real world pencils, crayon and boyes veritable. I don't know what any of this is. Latex free eraser. Oh God, remember when you were in school and you had to erase stuff? The teacher was going to fail you. When I was in school, my teacher called my parents in and said, your son has terrible penmanship, we can't read it, and we're going to fail him because we can't read his homework, we can't read what he's writing, and he's never going to go anywhere in life unless he learns how to write. And yeah, I probably did much better successfully in life than all of those teachers who said that I couldn't write. I couldn't write cleanly. My penmanship was bad. My penmanship is not so bad, but here's the Dixon pencil. Now I'd like to show you, because I know you've never seen a pencil before. These are so light. God, it feels like there's just nothing here. I'd like to show you the use of this pencil. But I gotta tell you, I can't find a pencil sharpener. Who the heck uses pencils in 2022? And why would you even have a pencil sharpener? I threw them all out when I threw out my pencils. I can't find anybody that's got a pencil sharpener. I don't want to spend $3 on a pencil sharpener for a pencil that's worth 10 cents or 5 cents. I don't know. Dixon, sorry I'm bashing you so much. You make a nice product, I'm sure. When I figure out how to sharpen this thing, I'll use it and I'll be a happy person. Even though these cost a little bit more buying them online, I'm sure if I bought them in the store they would be cheaper. What does it say? What is a large pack? Quantity, perfect for school, latex-free eraser, PMA certified non-toxic. Okay, so if it's non-toxic, I don't know what that means. PMA? Who the heck knows what PMA means? How many pencils am I getting? No clue. Still waiting on mine. 9 months later and they don't respond to messages. That was 4 years ago. What does HB stand for? Hard, black, or medium hard is what HB stands for on a pencil. Hard, black. I don't know what the heck this is. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Sorry I can't show you this thing in action because I can't sharpen it. What can I say? Go buy the thing if you need a pencil. Stay in the house. That way you don't have to drive and pollute the world and cause a climate change nightmare. Thank you, Dixon, for saving the world. And how's the tip look? I still don't have a pointy tip. So this is a lot of trouble to get a tip. But that's how you sharpen a pencil. You're able to write with it. E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-T. Thanks for watching. So here we are, people. Somehow I was able to use a knife and sharpen this thing because I don't have a pencil sharpener. And this is a wonderful pencil. Dixon. Dixon. Woo! See, it's not sharp. I don't have a pencil sharpener, so the point is really not good right now. But I was able to use it. And that's my review of the Dixon number 2 HB pencil.